check this view out. All right, we're gonna be doing a quick inspection on the air filter since we got the Snorkel. It's a little windy, kind of crappy outside. Shop's being used, so I won't be doing the transmission today. I will be doing the air filter, checking the air filter, checking the Snorkel, see how it's doing, and see how much residue or dust and crap is getting in there. So let's check it out. First, you're just gonna take out these screws. Here, back in here, and then back here. Got the handy dandy Phillips. Oh, upon first inspection, outside of that dirt that fell in, not looking too bad. Okay, so pulling this off, looking at this in here, looks like it's sealing up pretty nicely. Not getting a lot of crap in there, which I'm actually kind of surprised with how much dust and things I've driven through. Got a little bit in there. All in all though, I'm impressed. I am impressed with that. And it clearly is holding with how I have it set up. Check that out. So there is a lot more stuff getting into it through the top there. Through the top. So I need to put something over that to make it smaller so these bugs and things don't get sucked up in there. Air filter's coming through clutch though, so I'm gonna have to clean that out for sure. If you want to know exactly how I put this Snorkel on, it's actually made for a Jeep, and I have a video on my channel, check it out, on how I actually installed this and what I did. It's holding together. It has worked clearly, and several times when I've been going through water. So I only have one minor complaint about a Snorkel, is that it's one extra thing that you have to look for while you're driving through trails. My tires don't stick out past my mirrors. So as long as my mirror's clear, the trail, I know my tires are fine. When it comes to trees and sticks and all that jazz, right? The Snorkel, on the other hand, I used to be able to you would hit branches and things with your windshield or the side of your roof or something, and it would kind of drag over. Well, with this, I have to be careful because it'll actually rip this off, right? So you have to be aware of this and where branches are coming, because I've actually had this tweak a few times. And get pulled out to the side because I wasn't quite clear of a branch that came in and hit it. So something to be aware of with the Snorkel. I didn't really think of that when I put it on. I would still have it on there nonetheless. I'm going to clean this air filter because I've been going through a lot of dusty areas here at Jim Creek with all the silt, but air filter seems to be holding up real well. All right, so then you got to clean your air filter, right? So just cleaned it. Should have recorded on exactly what to do, but I'll show you what to do now. I just got this. I have an K&N filter, stock shaped filter, K&N, and I just got this oil filter cleaner, oil and cleaner package from AutoZone. I've been using it for the last couple washes and it works great. Instructions right here, right? Cleaner, obviously. You saw how dirty it was. Now it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Still got a little bit to do. Basically just spray it, let it sit for a second, rinse it out, repeat if needed, and then oil it up. If you don't have a air compressor to lightly blow out the water on the air filter, lightly, obviously don't blast it. Use a blow dryer maybe. If your wife or girlfriend have them, just use it, or you're gonna have to let it air dry. But do your best to not let, don't put this back in there wet or try to oil it when it's wet, because then it won't work as efficiently. So as you can see, there's a lot of water that comes out. Make sure you get it nice and dry, and then you go ahead and oil it up. Now just let that dry for a bit. Gotta get this put in before that rain hits.